Hi guys, this is Miss Wolfson. I wanted to give you a little support on your math assignment for today. So make sure you've watched the mini lesson on, we're continuing to talk about coordinate grids and plotting points. And we're also starting this week to see how those can be useful with real life data and solving real world problems using the coordinate grid and ordered pairs. So this is your independent assignment, is to complete this Nearpod. So on the first activity, we are plotting the height of meerkats over their first 20 months of life. So if you notice, our x-axis that goes across, remember x is your first point in an ordered pair. And it indicates the direction you go across, or where you go across the coordinate grid. And this is time in months. So it goes from 0 when it's born up to 20 months. And on our y-axis, which goes up in the coordinate grid, is height in inches. So again, when it's born, it's starting down here at 0 and 1, and all the way up to 15 inches. So they plotted the first few points of a meerkat's life. Usually when it's born, it looks like at 0 months old, it's about 3 inches when it's born. Then at 2 months, it was 5 inches, and at 4 months, it was 6 inches. So our goal is to keep plotting these points, and then we're going to connect our points and see if we can see a pattern for the growth of these meerkats. So I recorded my information over to the side. So our next point is 6 months, and the meerkat is 7 inches. Okay, so I think I have my draw tool on. So 6 months, I got my x is 6. And my y is 7. Okay, so there's my dot. Then I go 8 months. My next point is 8. 8 months, the meerkat is 8 inches. So 8 is my x, and 8 is my y. Okay? And then my next point is at 10 months. The meerkat is 9 inches. So that ordered pair is 10, 9. My x is 10, and my y is 9. My next ordered pair is 12 and 10. So at 12 months old, the meerkat is 10 inches in height. Okay, my next ordered pair is 14, 20, oh, just kidding, 12. 14 and 12. Okay, so right there. Well, 14 and 12. Okay, right there. Then at 16 months old, the meerkat is still 12 inches tall. So that coordinate pair is 16, 12. At 18 months old, it is still 12 inches tall. Okay, and at 20 months old, it is 12 inches tall. So that ordered pair is 20, 12. My x was 20, and my y is 12. So if we connect, I'm going to do another, let's do a black line, keep our black line. If we connect our points, I'm not very good at straight lines, sorry. If we connect our points, we're going to see a pattern that Okay, so far from 0 to 14 months old, that meerkat, the height is going up each time. Every month, every new X value, the Y is increasing. But then look what happens after 14 months old. That Y is staying the same. So its height after 14 months old, from 14 months all the way to 20 months, stayed 12 inches. So you can see the height over time is increasing, increasing, increasing until right here at 14 months old, and then it flattens out because it's staying the same. So that's how coordinate grids and graphing ordered pairs helps us solve real-world problems, as we can see the change in those values over time. All right, so your next activity is to do the same thing, but with this data and this information. Okay, so you're going to plot your X is going to be time, and your Y is going to be distance that Johnny is biking. Okay, and you're going to see, as the time increases, what his distance looks like.